Hey guys, I don't have a quick shifter, but listen. Hey, it sounds like one, don't? Mimic the quick shifter, you know? Yeah, just a slow down my progress, so better. Bloody hell, man. Bloody hell! Bloody hell! Get out of the way! Bloody hell! Oh, golly. Yeah, make it stay right there, so your backside there. Turn too much, man. Jeez. My shocks are shit. Believe me. Jesus. Jesus. Jimmy! Jimbo! Jimbody! Jimbo! Jim Jim! SJ! Jim Jim! Oops. I forgot this is open. Nah! Jimmy! 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 He had his windows wind down and he saw me and he rolled it up. That's kind of disrespectful, but I don't freaking care, bro. You can go screw yourself, Jimmy! Whoa! Shifter! Quick shifter! We don't know about this. Down. Down again. What she like to do? Go down. Oh my God, it's clear. Everybody say yeah, yeah. Jimmy! Jimmy! Jimbo! Dreams are made over nothing. Oh! My dog has his earphones on. He has his earphones on. You know what time it is, boy? It's road carving time, boy! Let's go, boy! Yeah, let's go! Woo! Slow down, we don't like to overtake right here, it's a bad spot. Yeah! What you mean? Kick out gear. On the left side, round there. Through the oh, nigga kinda tight for me. But watch your style. Round there. Oh, kick out gear, boy! What I know about that? A earphone for a head in a boy. Calm, chopper. Watch your car, chopper. Hey, we are done. Yeah, just get them last night. Just get them last night, man. How you that, boy? You say I drag off the line. No, you're gonna beat me, cause guess what now? That bike can't feel wheelie and off the straight road again. It's sweet, man. How you that, boy? Hey, steady slow. earphone for years. I want to know about that. Oh man. Offline. Watch your car down there, so. Alright, cool. Anything that I come up, I'm not sure. So we can go get a look, go around it. And when we are ride fast, we still ride careful. And we are talk about reckless, me nearly say. Oh God. Woo. Yeehaw. Yeah. That man, I love my compression, you know, I love it a freak. So down here, so now, car. Blood. Oh, 4 minutes. Throw down your front end and it just wobble for me, brother. Throw it down a while ago and I feel it goes out. Boodum, boodum, boodum. Hold that. Hold that. Yeah, people, we outside. Bomba, what's a beer? Is that HRV that, brother? Bomba look good. Bomba, that HRV that look good, dog. Hey, taxi boy, don't do that. Where do? Don't switch lane and break up on me, hey boy. Make your ex-dickhead. Like, chill. I got chill. Down one. Bike life is nice, yo. You just gotta do your thing safely, brother. What? You creeping over? You stay in that lane, bro. Sixth gear, and then we go over here, and then we just easy. That's it for now, guys. I'm out.